Hi, I'm Cam Myers. I'm the founder and CEO of CreateMe, and we're on a mission to help redefine how apparel is made in the 21st century. How apparel is made has barely changed since the Industrial Revolution. Our vision is to make apparel for demand, for the consumer, wherever the consumer is. We're using robotics, material science, and software together to make this all happen. We've created the world's first truly end-to-end apparel creation platform. It is designed for high speed and high flexibility with a roll-fed single-piece flow with the very best principles of automation and lean manufacturing in mind, across garment style, size, color, fabric, and ultimately embellishment. We've been honing our tech for the past 5 years, and we have over 95 patents. We have perhaps the industry's leading IP portfolio on how to make apparel more automated. We want to make apparel more responsive, more cost-effective, more creative, and more environmentally sound. And we're going to make it happen. Come join us.